Hello, I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to let you know how to set up FairPlay Combine. As some of you may already know, FairPlay Combine is the integration of most of the FairPlay applications into a single .NET Aspire solution. Now, in order to learn how to configure this project, one of the things that you should do is actually go to the FairPlay Combine GitHub repository, right? The GitHub repository has a wiki, and we updated that wiki with the how to set up FairPlay Combine, right? So there are some prerequisites that you will read in here, right? You need to install the latest version of Visual Studio View. You need to install the .NET SDK that matches the one in the global JSON. So in the Visual Studio solution, you will have a global JSON file, and you need to update the .NET SDK that matches that SDK into the global.json, right? Currently, we are working with .NET 9 Preview 3. Something that you may know, that is important that you know, is that FairPlay Combine is basically an educational project, right? And one of the things that it's actually trying to do is teach you how to use these new technologies, right? Such as such as .NET Aspire and .NET 9. So that's why we are upgrading as soon as possible, and we are currently running on .NET 9 Preview 3. Okay, so you need to add the packages, right? So you open the command prompt in administration mode, you navigate to the path of the application app host, right? So you go to Visual Studio Solution, you go to the app host, you go to that directory in command line, and then you run this command, and then you run this other command, and then you add command. Now, this first one is actually extremely important because you need to add this nugget source, right? This is actually the place where most of the packages loaded from, right? So uh, this is a separate package. This is a separate. I can't remember the name. Not the official name. Is can't remember how you say that, but this is basically a different page. That is a different place than the Nougat.org. So you need for these specific items, you need another from, right? Because when you restore, it will look for Nugget packages, and those Nugget packages that we are using may not exist Nugget because they are in preview, right? So they will be found in here. Okay. So you need to create and configure desktop application in Google Cloud Console, and then you need to download the OAuth 2.0 client ID file, right? And you copy those values and the configuration secrets prefix with Google out. So we'll talk about that, right? You need to install the version of SQL Server. You need to create a new database, and you publish the database from the FairPlay Combined DB project that is in the Studio Solution into that new database that you right. Then you need to download the generated humans database, and you extract it to a folder of your choice, right? One other thing that you need to do, or these are the setup, or this is how to set up the Visual Studio solution, right? So you set the startup project to be FairPlayCombined.apphost, right? That is the .NET Aspire host, right? The one that actually loads the .NET Aspire dashboard as soon as you run the application. You set up the user secrets for the project file for the project, this one, right? So you right click, and then you do manage user secrets, and then it will take you to the secrets.json for that specific project. And then you need to start adding all of these keys along with their values. All of these tricks pull out are the ones which are located file that you downloaded previously. Then you need to add the database connection to the database that you created, right? And you will have to add a lot of flags like add FairPlay dating, add FairPlay dating, test data information, add FairPlay group, right? All of these. These are basically flags that you set to true or false, and basically they indicate projects that you want to load at that time. And then you need also to set the UML. So that's how you set up FairPlay combined. Now there is something else, right? So this is how to set up the um, basic values. But one other thing that you need to do is as soon as you have all of those required values configured, you need to launch the administration portal. And the administration portal will have a configuration secrets, right? Because the shared values or the shared configuration secrets are actually stored in database. So you need to run the application, the administration portal, you configure that, and then all of the rest of the projects will actually access that. We will see that. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.